Morning everybody, welcome to Phil's baking class. Today we're going to make a giant Jaffa cake. So today's ingredients: self-raising flour, eggs, butter, caster sugar, chocolate, an orange, and orange jelly. Now our first job is to make up the jelly. So to make up our jelly layer in the cake, we need to get our orange jelly, pour boiling water over it, and leave it in the fridge to set for hours. So we pour our jelly into there. And we want 350 milliliters of hot water. That's perfect. Just give it a good stir. Next thing we do is pour our jelly liquid into the cake tin and leave it in the fridge for 4 hours at least for it to set. So while that's happening, I'm off for a round of golf. See you later. Fast forward 5 hours, and here we are, time to make the cake. So first thing you got to do is mix 190 grams of butter up with 190 grams of caster sugar. Well, that went well, I thought. And now we've got to add the eggs, a bit slowly at a time. Next job is to add 190 grams of flour, some orange zest, and a little bit of orange juice. So far so good. Next stage, get our mixture into the cake tin and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Right, so it's time to take the cake out of the oven, turn it over, and then we're going to melt our chocolate. Nice. So the chocolate's melted. Hopefully the jelly's set in the fridge. The cake's cooled down. And now it's time to put the cake together. Perfect. Now whack that back in the fridge. Right, and now it's time for the big reveal. Let's see what our cake looks like. Not too bad. One giant Jaffa cake.